afternoon. It's October the 18th, and we're going to go ahead and it's been a month, so we're going to go ahead and take this air layer that we did on 9/18 off of this YOLO bypass fig cutting. We received these early in the season. We ordered 3 YOLO bypass fig cuttings, and then we rooted them and planted them. And then this was a side shoot growing off of the main stalk. So we just took a 16-ounce styrofoam cup, split it down the center, poked a hole in the bottom, and we took the leaves off of the side shoot here and put some rooting hormone on there. And then we just put some potting mix in there and wrap that cup back around there to make some roots. So we're going to go ahead and take this thing off of there and get it planted. And I've already cut the cup this morning to see if there's any roots down in there. And you can see we've got roots. The last ones I did, I waited 6 weeks. And they were rooted pretty nice. But we've had even hotter weather since then. I think we're going to get to 89 today. So it's been pretty hot. And I've kept it watered pretty good. So I think there's enough roots on there that we can go ahead and get this side shoot cut off of the YOLO bypass fig plant and get it transplanted into this 2-gallon pot. And all I'm going to put in there is I've got some Happy Frog potting soil, and I've added to that a couple of handfuls of compost and 1 tablespoon of our tomato and vegetable fertilizer. So we're going to cut this cutting off of here and get it planted. Okay, it's cut loose. Okay, you can see the roots coming out of the bottom of this cup. If it's picking it up, I can't. So we'll go ahead and move this guy. Let me set this guy down here. And we'll move this big boy over there. Let's see about how deep we want to go with that. It's about 3 inches of soil. Just sit it down here. That's going to be pretty close. So I'm just going to take and split this the rest of the way down. I'll show you. Make sure I'm in the... It's hard to see the video. The sun's in my eyes. So right there. That's not bad for only 4 weeks. It rooted really nice. Wow. So we'll go ahead and get this guy planted. Okay, we're still rolling. Let's get him in there. Actually, I may do this down here. We'll try to orient it straight as we can. Some soil down in there. Okay. That's probably pretty good right there. Straighten it up just a little bit. Okay. One YOLO bypass, air layer. Pot it up. And that'll give, I'm going to water it in real heavy. That'll give these roots time enough to start filling in this pot before our freezing temperatures get here. They say our frost gets here in November. I don't know. This is my first year down here in Mississippi. But there's a YOLO bypass, air layer. Off of our big plant. So we got the big guy this year. We got it rooted and planted. And then before the year's out, we got another YOLO bypass off of that plant by air layering it. Thanks for watching.